So these are the steps you need to follow to sell your 3D models. So first, what you need to do is not to make a 3D model. First, you need to go on different 3D marketplaces and check the best-selling models. So for example, here I am on sketchfab.com. Also, you can go on turbosquid.com. If you want a list of a lot of 3D marketplaces, I have my 3D resources, so you have the link in the description to access this list. So I'm going on Sketchfab, and here you can go in buy 3D models in best selling, and here you can check the best selling models. So what you need to do is check the models and see what type of model you want to create. What is your modeling level and what you can do. For example, if you are more advanced, you are going to do more advanced models. For example, this one. So if you are a beginner, this is going to be very complicated to do and very long. So you need more simple models. For example, low poly assets. For example, this person did a coral reef plants and objects. And you see it is in low poly. It's not very detailed. And this is selling, this is in best selling in this marketplace. Then, once you know what you are going to model, of course now you can model the objects or the character you want to model. For example, I'm going to get this model we did in the previous tutorial. Now you are going to export your model in different formats. So you can get your model, do file, do export, and then select the different format you want. And you can check the website's requirements to see what are the best formats. So for example, you can go in the supports, in uploading 3D models, and you will have all the steps to upload all the formats. So all the formats are here, and you export your model. Then what you need to do is to create an account on a 3D website where you can sell your model. Once you have your account, of course, now you need to upload your model. So you upload the different formats on your accounts. And if you don't have a seller account, you can only upload it to be downloadable for other. So to get a seller account, you need to put at least in Sketchfab, you need to put at least 5 models on your accounts to create a portfolio of your work, and then you can apply to become a seller. So if you go, I think at the bottom of the page, you have become a seller, and then you have all the steps you need to follow to become a seller. So all of these, and then you can click apply. Then once you have a seller account, you'll be able to put sell on your models and sell them. And you don't need to be a advanced 3D artist. You see, they are not all the models, they are not all advanced models. There are people who are looking for more minimal models, more low poly models, and you need to find the niche you want to make your models. You need to make useful models that people want. If you want more support on how to create your model, how to optimize them, how to export, how to convert your model into specific formats, how to reference your models, I created a complete beginner's course where I teach you step by step all you need to do. First, we just open Blender and we just open a marketplace, and then at the end you have your 3D model uploaded to your accounts. So you have the link in the description to access this course, and you have a special discounts only until Friday. So you can go on my website, you can click here, and then you have the page for the course. You can click join the course, You have all the information, what you are going to learn, everything you are going to learn in this course, what is in this course, the bonuses, the different guarantees on the course. You have the link to join and the discounts until Friday. So see you in the course or see you in another video. Bye.